Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. Today I have come in a site where a machine are being used to compacting the floor. So this is a compacting machine and this is working perfectly to compact our floor. And as a civil engineer, you know that it's very important to compact our floor perfectly. Otherwise, when we'll complete our construction work, then we'll see that somewhere our floor are cracking because of low compaction, and there are many factors, but the compaction is main here. Actually, as we use soil, okay, fine soil here, fine sand here in our floor. That's why we should compact that perfectly. Otherwise, it will not give us the good workability after completing our construction. So that was a machine, and its total weight is almost 90 kg. So actually this is a heavy machine, and it's vibrating perfectly. It is vibrating to compact the soil. Okay, so thank you very much, and if you think that was helpful and that was great, then please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever fast. So thank you very much.